We are the Tajmac-Group. More than 1,200 employees work on 320,000 square meters. Each of them working on something a little different, but it all fits together. We start with a customer request. We discuss it together and make an offer. The job takes shape. Experienced teams of 46 engineers work on it. It is important to set up the production management logistics and select the right components from our own warehouse, of course. We create a process flow and go into production. The foundry molds are made by a group of 30 modelers for our own grey and ductile iron foundry. The annual capacity of the foundry is 14,000 tons. The production itself, this is where it happens. Production relies heavily on manual labor, but also on machinery. It's all about getting it right. Now we're going to put it all together. But we mustn't forget about the precise settings for maximum machine efficiency. From an idea to a real, tangible and functional result. We are the Tajmac-Group. We are tradition, complexity and innovation for 115 years.